Dear students and parents, myself Dr. R.D. Amrutkar. As an in-charge principal, let me guide you to the most influential journey of Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik. We are offering a B Pharmacy course since 2017 and D Pharmacy course from 2021, being focused on quality education in the pharmacy field, thereby creating competent and expert pharmacists ready to serve the healthcare industry and society. We are following footprints laid down by our inspiration, Karmavir Kakasaheb Wagh and late Balasaheb Wagh. Their optimistic, idealistic and social approach motivates us to strive for best without letting the moral value down in any manner. I am proud of my visionary management led by Engineer Samir Wagh sir, standing beside us for providing excellent art of infrastructure, world-class facilities and always encouraging our research aptitude. My team of faculty, my students and alumni are my backbones, providing strength through structured teaching learning process, enhanced industry exposure oriented approach, enhancement and expansion of knowledge, research-based activities, regular counseling and evaluation to monitor the progress, and financial assistance to needy through scholarship as well as institutional waiver schemes. With best wishes, I invite you to join Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik, emerging as a center of excellence to make a student future ready, and I cheer to have a strong social connections with brightest minds. Thank you.
Kekewa Education Society's Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik is running degree and diploma course in pharmacy. Kekewa Education Society's Kekewa College of Pharmacy is well known for academic excellence and discipline. Competent staff of the Kekewa College of Pharmacy is continuously striving for the holistic development of the student. Regular students' feedback, mentor meetings, parents' meetings, use of ICT tools are the key factors to achieve student-centric teaching learning activities. Kekewa College of Pharmacy students are involved in quiz competitions, poster presentations, mini projects, group discussions for the making the students industry ready and competent. Experts talk from the industry persons as well as various academicians are also regularly conducted. Thank you.
I, Dr. Sarika Kamble, working as Associate Professor and HOD in the Department of Pharmacology in Kekewa College of Pharmacy. Along with this academic activity, I also work as Research Coordinator. For this portfolio, we are finding out the students those are interested in research and making them more compatible in these research competitions. They are also grabbed the number of prizes. Along with that, we are also work for the SCST committee as a SCST coordinators, and under these heading, we are helping out the SCST students for seeking the admissions in the government's hostels. I am also working as a student council development officer, and for that we are also nowadays trying to implement the Earn and Learn scheme in our college.
Hello, myself Dr. Vaibhav Bhamre, and currently working as an training and placement officer at Kekewa Education Society's Kekewa College of Pharmacy, Nasik. We are having D Pharmacy and B Pharmacy students. So as a part of training and placement, we are working on skill development, technical development and looking after training and placement of our students. Along with training and placement, we are focused about internships and apprenticeships for our students. As a part of it, from our last year batch, we have placed number of students in the ratio of 80%. Those were looking for the placements from our side. Remaining students were focused on higher education, and as a part of it, we are having sessions to guide them, to nurture them in order to pursue their higher educations. In these years also, we are looking for the expert sessions from industries. We are having tie-ups with the number of pharmaceutical companies in terms of pharmaceutical projects, in terms of pharmaceutical visits, and we are reaching to number of companies like Cipla, Blue Cross, Ranbaxy, Sun Pharma, WNS, TCS, Cognizant and many more in order to look after the training and placement of our students, and we are working on the 100% placement strategy from our side. With this, I welcome you all to join our team of KKWCOP to have a future that is careeristic and objective. Thank you and
This
welcome.
is Samruddha Vavekar, student of 3rd year B Pharmacy, studying at KK Education Society's KK College of Pharmacy, Nasik. I am very much privileged to study in this institute as KK Education Society is one of the brand in Nasik city as well as is very old and trusted education brand. I would like to express my views on our college. Our college possesses well-trained faculty, good quality laboratories with latest technology inculcated. Our college has many departments. Now being in 3rd year has opened the windows for the research and development in our college. Our college supports these research kind of activities very eagerly. Our staff is very much encouraging us towards the research and development. I am really thankful to the management, our honorable principal sir and teaching and non-teaching staff for supporting us with all our tantrums. Last but not the least, I would like to say that KK Education Society's KK College of Pharmacy is one of the good colleges for pursuing pharmacy in Nasik, and one can find the amalgamation of lore, literature, learning and culture at this place.
I, Karuna Samadhan Bharsane, studying at KK College of Pharmacy, Nasik, is honored to express my views about the college. Our college is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Raigad, and also approved by PCI, AICTE and DT. Our college has a lush green campus and good quality infrastructure. Support and guidance from faculty and also extracurricular activities are conducted by the college. I thank our honorable principal sir, teaching and non-teaching staff.
I, Ronak Khilosia, studying at KK College of Pharmacy in Nasik, is privileged to express my view about the college. College provides us many good facilities such as good ICT tools to make it easy to study. We have motivating and supporting staff. Thanks to management and our honorable principal sir and our staffs. Thank you so much to our college, KK College of Pharmacy.